Assalamualaikum audience, my name is Siti Zaman and I am a student of famous English Language Center Bangladesh and she is my partner.
Assalamualaikum audience, it's me Menvardir Rahman. Our batch number is K2146. Today we will talk about mango. So let's get started. Hi Ibtidam.
Hello,
How are you?
thanks and you.
I'm fine also, thank you.
Can you discuss about mango?
Oh sure.
Mango. What is mango?
Mango is a fruit. Which fruit is the king of all fruits?
Mango is king of all fruits. Which taste is it?
Mango's taste is sweet when it is ripe, sour when it's green. When it is ripe, which taste is mango?
When it is ripe, mango's taste is sweet. Which color is it?
Sometimes green, yellow, sometimes red. Um, how many types is mango?
Mango have many types like Himsagar, Fozli, Rupali, Haribhanga, etc. What time mangoes grow?
Mango grows in summer. Um, which items can we make with mango?
We make many things like juice, cake, jam, jelly. What is what what does mangoes contain?
Mango contain vitamin and minerals. Do you like mango?
Yes, I like it. My favorite fruit is mango.
So guys, thank you for listening to us.
Do you like mango? Write the comment section. Bye.
Bye.